Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. I hope you can see this okay. This is a large all stainless steel cleated inclined elevator. It is by New England Machinery. There is no tag on the unit, but we do know that because we have others in stock and they are the identical design. You'll see it has a full large stainless steel hopper. It's got a 20-inch wide belt. Those are 4-inch high cleats you see, and about 12-inch centers. And you'll see the holes in the belt. You can actually relocate them should you need to. Has a full stainless steel cover, a nice little access window, a little bit better than the normal lucite ones you may be used to. And of course has a complete covering over the travel section of the belt. It's driven by a variable speed DC drive, and you probably saw on the floor we have for storage the hood removed that little chute off the discharge. And you'll see it's this is discharging at about 96 inches at the peak height with the chute on about a foot less. As I mentioned, it does have a 1/3 horse Reliance drive and geared reducer driving the bottom pulley. This is a small kicker that was in there. It was on the bottom, located in here, and they seem to have substituted just a small flap of belting, which probably works just as well. The kicker will produce some type of agitation sometimes, and of course the discharge chute out the front. We're running it through one of our test controllers, small Leeson variable speed drive. You can hear the speed pick up. Large belt like this has a large carrying capacity, so it'd be great with a large unscrambler. We have a lot of elevators in our stock, so if you're tired of carrying caps and bottles up to feed the machine, this might be your answer. We have lots of equipment in process and packaging, and do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.